Lisa from JoyfullyArt, back for another video. This is my chain pour from my last video. It turned out okay. Colors are really bright and pretty. It was my first one, so I still need some practice, but I really like it. So there you go. Now on with the next. I'm going to do these two canvases. I'm going to try and do a Dutch pour on them. And my colors today are going to be Master's Touch, and this is Lake Blue, Deco Art, Phthalo Green Blue, Winsor Newton, Cadmium Orange Hue, Deco Art Primary Magenta. And then I have a color that I just mixed a bunch of different colors together to get this peachy color. So I'm going to try that too. See what it looks like. Let's get all those out of the way. The Lake Blue is going to be the background color. I hope I mixed enough. Get a paper towel so I can put my sticks down on. I don't need them in the way. All right, now we'll see if we have enough or not. I do have a little bit more mixed up, but we'll see how it goes. If I don't have enough mixed up, the whole video is a flop. I'm gonna get the front covered first. Then if I have extra, I can do the sides. If not, I can make more and do the sides off camera. Let's see about this one. This over just a little bit. I'll move it back so I'll be sure that you can see it. So I get it out of the way of the other one so I don't keep hitting my hand on it. Okay, let's go and see if we can get some of the sides covered. There we go. All right. Start with the primary magenta. Let's see. Where do I want to start? Let's start up here. Whoa, kill most of it off there. And then we have phthalo blue green. I think that's what this is, I recall. I believe this is the red hue, or the orange. And this is the peach. I haven't used it in a long time, so hopefully it'll be all right. I'm not going to use a whole lot of it. I hope that's enough paint. See that? Dang it. Piece of the canvas showing. And there we go. Have this that I'm going to put around to blow over. think I'm just gonna blow over one way. See how that works. My dryer. Okay, let's blow it out. I think I'm needing a different dryer. This dryer is not working for me at all. Turn this one around. If I can get it to blow down some. And it looks like that peach really took over here. So let's add in some more color. I watered down my paint so they would be a little bit more thin so that they would move a little bit easier, but on it with this. My little blower will do better. This might end up being a pretty long video. I'm kind of liking it now. All right, let's see what we can find in this one if we blow with the little one. I think all my color disappeared in here. There's some. And I kind of like the minimalistic of this one. This one has so much. I kind of like that this one doesn't have a whole lot on it. Like they're kind of made for each other. What do y'all think? I think this one probably looks better if it goes over here. I kind of like it. I'll have to get my sides all pinned up, but let's give it a torch. I'll fix the sides once we're off camera and make sure that they're all covered. But actually, I like it. One's got a lot and then the other one flows and just has a little. All right, here we go. There's a close-up. And I will finish the sides off, so I don't have to worry about that. And then here's the other one. I want to thank you all for watching today. Please leave a comment if you so desire. Let me know if I'm doing good, bad, if you like my work, or let me know what you want to see me do. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. You can give me a comment. I already said that, I think. Give me a thumbs up. And by all means, please have a great day.